I'm not just any guy. I'm a guy who's studying a new path, who's just finished a path, which is called presentation mastery. So every time when I do a presentation, if my presentation exceeds your expectation, don't be surprised. I'm doing it professionally with Toastmasters International. Why is it like that? It's because I'm not just any guy. Having to see myself being so confident, I remember the first day I came in, couldn't speak so fluently. This is a result. Me standing in front of you is a result of practice and creating myself. As Mary was saying, in life, it's not all about finding yourself, but it's about creating yourself. I'd like to share a story with you that demonstrates for me personal development. Long time ago in Waterfall, there was a beautiful mansion. On that mansion, there was an auction that was happening, it was taking place. And the auctioneer did an auction for the whole day, late, when everyone was tired, and the auctioneer was tired. There was a violin that was lying on the floor. It was dusty. Everything in the house was being auctioned. That was the only item left. And the auctioneer asked, who's willing to take this violin for 10 rand, 10 rand, 10 rand? Who's willing to take the violin for 10 rand? No one showed interest. Who's willing to take it for 5 rand, 5 rand, 5 rand? Nobody showed interest. 3 rand, 3 rand, 3 rand? No one showed interest. An old man from the back stood up and he approached the auctioneer and he asked and he said, please hand me that violin. The old man took a cloth, wiped the violin, tightened the strings, and he played a beautiful, beautiful melody. And he took it back, gave it back to the auctioneer, and everyone was amazed. And the energy of the auctioneer was recharged. And he said, oh, I've just seen how powerful this instrument is. Who is interested in buying this for 100, 100, 100? I'm seeing 110, 110, 110, I'm seeing 120. 120, I'm seeing 150, 150, 150, I'm seeing 200, 200. I'm seeing 300, 300, 400, 400, 400, 500, 500, 600, 600, 700. I'm seeing 8, 8, 8, 9, 9. Anyone, 900, 950, 950, 950, 750, 950, 950. Oh, 1,000. Someone bought it for 1,000. A violin that was worth nothing. But because the dust was wiped, and the string were tightened. This could be you, making sure that you work on your skills so you can become very good.